Hello friends, I am Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about what I have done in my major project, and that project was COVID-19 Management System, and here is the my website. Okay. Now we can discuss what are the models in my website and why I am choosing this project. Okay. Let's start discuss. The motto of our project was at that COVID time, we just want to provide an awareness message to everyone about coronavirus and also help in medical field, that is in testing area. Okay. Now we can discuss each and every models of our website. Okay. Now we are in home phase. In this phase, user can get awareness messages about coronavirus, like what is coronavirus, what are the symptoms, how we can prevent from this virus, like that. Okay. Then comes to guideline page. In this page, user can know what are the guidelines and how this virus spread from one person to another person, and so many other messages are there. Okay. Then comes to helpline page. Whenever you click on this page, then one pop-up box is coming out, and in that pop-up box there is an information about COVID-19, that is stay home, stay safe. Okay, so just close it, and here we will get helpline phone number, and also I am forwarding one chat box that help us what to do and what not to do in this pandemic. Okay. Then comes to donation page. In this pandemic, lot of people needs help. So in this page, user can donate money according to their ability. And also, if you want to modify my project, then you can add some more features like cylinder, plasma, and lot of things. I cannot do it because I did not get much more time, that's why. If you can, you will do it. Okay. Then comes to vaccination page. Here user can register and book slot for vaccine by using government website, Cowin website. Then comes to fun page. In this page I am providing a shooting game for entertainment purpose, and also in this features most of user are active and visit to our website. That's why I'm adding this shooting game to my website. Now comes to testing section. In this section we try to help in medical field. Let's see how we can do that. Okay. First thing, due to these features, we can optimization the social distance among the peoples, because no need to stand in a queue to test whether he is positive or negative. Just sitting in your home and just provide all the details. Okay, like your full name, your mobile number, your date of birth, any government ID, address, and state, and also you can select which test you want, and also you can select any date anytime according to yourself. Okay, when you click on submit, it is generate a unique order number. Okay, and if you go to dashboard, then you should know how much test done in each state. Okay, when you want to know about your test, just go to test report, and here provide your mobile number or that unique order number. Okay, then you can see your test status. Okay, look here, report status is not posted and no tracking history, because that patient just submit his details to lab. Okay, now what is the next thing? Admin. In admin section, all the testing manager. Okay, let's see how admin can manage all the things. Okay, let's see. After login, This is the admin dashboard where all the things managed by admin. Okay, when any patient submit his details here in notification section, admin got those patient details was visible. Then admin assigned to any phlebotomist for testing. Okay, after assigning to any phlebotomist, now to collect that patient's blood sample, then he will go to that patient's address. Okay, so for that patient must be acknowledged about that. So admin send notification to patients. Okay. Also, admin can manage phlebotomist in phlebotomist section. That means admin can add new phlebotomist and also delete or in if any changes, then admin can do that. Okay. In testing section, admin get know about all the testing status. That means how many patient is going to assign to which phlebotomist and how much sample is collected in which state. And out of those collected sample which are sent to lab or which are not, and also after getting report card of any patient, admin send their report card to them. Okay, and also admin get know how many patient got their report card and in each day how much test done. That also and should know. These are the working model of admin. Okay, let's see after logout patient can get his report card or not. Okay, so first go to testing section, then go to testing report. Here enter any patient's register mobile number or unique order number, and here is the report card. Then comes to another features, that is live tracker. In these features everybody should know how many people get recovery from COVID-19 and how many confirmed cases are there and how many death cases in all over the world. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.